I want to show you how to create your own service for Angular, and the question to ask is, why would I ever want to write a service? Well, services are useful in a number of scenarios, many we've already seen, but let me talk about the big three. The first reason is to package reusable logic into a container that you can use in different places throughout the application. This might be an algorithm or some piece of logic that you need in several different controllers. Instead of duplicating code in multiple places, it's always a good idea to keep the code in one place, a service, and call into that shared code from other locations. Another reason is to store shared data. It turns out that if you need to share data between controllers on different views, a service makes a great place to store data, because Angular only instantiates a single instance of each service for a given application. That means if you use a service from 3 different controllers, all 3 controllers, even if they aren't on the screen at the same time, they will get the same service instance and therefore the same shared data. A third reason is to manage complexity. Maybe a controller is getting too difficult to manage. You have so much code it scrolls off the screen. That's a time to take a step back and see if there is anything you can do to simplify the code and separate the responsibilities. What I want to do is build a service that will demonstrate 2 of these reasons. We'll build a GitHub service. It will encapsulate the API calls to GitHub. Instead of using the HTTP service directly from our controller, we'll use HTTP inside of this new service instead. And we'll see it actually simplifies the code of our container, so it helps to manage the complexity, and it will be a nice reusable service that we can use for multiple controllers later on. Let's try it.